It was just another day at Target. Self-checkout, beep after beep. But this wasn't an ordinary shopper. Her name, Marlena Velez, a TikTok influencer. And what she scanned that day wasn't what she bagged. Surveillance shows her swapping barcodes, high-value items disguised as cheap ones, again and again. 16 products worth nearly $500. She thinks no one is watching, but every move is caught on Target's cameras.
Hello, this is Officer Aldemoy with the Cape Coral Police Department.
Hello, sorry, I'm just at work. Can we step outside real quick?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, yeah, I was calling because I saw the post that was made on the Instagram. I used to go to school with this girl, and it kind of looks like her. I mean, I don't talk to her anymore, but I still follow her on social medias, but it looks just like her.
Okay.
Her name is Marlena Velez.
You don't happen to have a phone number or anything like that for her, right?
I only have her Instagram and, like, her TikTok, but that's about it.
Do you happen
We went to school together, but not anymore.
Okay, how long ago was that?
I want to say maybe 2014, 13. Like, it was forever ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I still have her on social media and stuff like that.
Do you have her social media handle by chance?
Yes, so Instagram is just her whole name all together. And then I believe her TikTok is the same exact thing. Let me just double check. Yeah, so her TikTok, it would be the same thing, Marlena Velez, but then with 2 Z's at the end.
Okay.
And I think she's public too.
Oh, that works. I'll take a look. Do you know if Marlena has any children?
Yes, she has 2 kids. They're little.
Officers put the pieces together. Her social media became the evidence. Police move in. She's arrested, booked, and charged. Not her first run-in either. Records show a history of theft.
Hello, Cape Coral Police. I'm Marlena. Do you have a second?
Yes. Can I just put a jacket on?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay. Hello. Can you come to the house now, please? I need you. I need you to stay with the kids because I'm getting arrested right now. I don't know, like there's some things that happened at Walmart, but I need you to come stay with them, please. Alright, don't call anyone else. Okay.
Hi. Are you able to talk? Are you the only one home? Or?
My kids are home.
Okay. Is anybody else home?
No, it's just my kids.
Okay. Do you mind if you talk to us real quick?
Sure.
So, I want to talk to you about a certain incident, okay? But before I do that, I'm going to ask you to turn around, okay? Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Okay, what about my kids?
I will figure out an arrangement for your kids.
Can I just call my
Yeah,
boyfriend?
you can.
Okay.
So we'll give you that opportunity, alright?
Can I change?
No, not right now. Why is this locked? It's on your sweater.
I'm literally freezing. Like,
I understand
I'm
that.
not allowed to change.
No.
Like, my kids are literally babies.
I understand that. I saw them in the security video footage.
What security video footage?
Okay. Wait for her to come here, but we'll walk to my car in the meantime.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a photo. Thank you.
How old are your kids?
3 and 1.
I'm gonna stay right here just in case they wake up. He's not leaving until someone else comes, alright?
Okay. Can we like wait inside? I'm cold, or am I
No,
gonna be
you're
in
gonna
the
be
car?
in my car. It'll be warmer in there. You don't have anything on you, right? I know you just woke up, but do you have anything in pockets or anything like that?
No, I wish I would be able to change, though.
Okay, we're gonna go on the other
Put
side.
sweatpants.
Alright, just stand here, face the car, and then spread your feet. I'm just gonna pat you down with the back of my hand, alright? Make sure you don't have any weapons or anything like that. Step in. Buckle you in.
Does Nick Jones got charges as well?
I'm gonna call him, give him the opportunity to, if he has found probable cause, but I don't know if he's found PC for his.
Okay. I mean, it's a video good on
I
him.
don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna read you something, okay? You just listen. If you want to talk to me after, that's fine. Do you know why we're here?
No, I just asked you that earlier.
Okay. I know you had said something, you thought it was something to do with Walmart on the phone.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think that?
I don't know. You said something about security camera footage.
Okay.
And I remember I was only at Walmart yesterday, so.
Gotcha. Alright, well, do you shop at Target often?
Walmart.
Walmart? Not Target?
I do shop at Target.
Okay. Do you remember an incident in October? Okay.
I don't remember the exact dates that I go.
Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna be real with you, okay? So there's security video footage of you stealing from Target, okay? You go to
October?
yeah. Tell me if it, you know, if I have it wrong or what, or correct me if you have a different point of view. You go to a self-checkout. You have a separate little barcode scanner. You scan multiple times, it rings up for $1, and then you take the merchandise past the scanner and put everything in a bag. And you do that multiple times to multiple items, and then you put it in the cart that has your 2 kids in it. So I was just wondering kind of what was going through your head at that point.
In October?
Yeah.
Don't remember doing that.
Okay, you don't remember doing that?
No.
Okay. Alright, I mean, that's fine that you don't remember, but it happened. It's on video. That's submitted into our evidence department, okay? So that's what you're being arrested for, is theft, alright? So we're gonna head down to the Lee County Jail based off of that. Do you have any questions, or do you have any comments?
I do.
Okay, go ahead. I'm here.
I need to call my boyfriend.
Okay.
I just don't have his number, so
Okay. How do we get his number?
the only number, it's on my phone.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm bringing your phone to the jail. Once we get to the jail, there's a booking process, so I have to do some paperwork, right? Once I finish my paperwork, I hand you over to the Lee County Sheriff's Office deputies intake. They grab you. They get your phones out, the numbers out of your phone. Okay. So that at that point is when you'll get the number for your boyfriend, and you'll be able to call him once I transfer custody for the jail. Okay.
Okay, and then what after?
That's up to you and the judge. You have to speak to the judge.
Today?
No, either, I don't know, you might make it in time for first appearance. You might not. That's depending on the whole booking process, okay? But if you do, you might speak to them this morning, or if not, you'll speak to them tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Correct.
So, like, what does that mean?
What do you mean? You'll be held in the jail until you are able to speak to the judge.
What, even? Like,
That's what happens when you steal, you know what I mean?
There might be a second appearance at 11, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, there might, like I said,
might be only on the
the
weekends.
benefit to you right now is that it's really early and that they haven't even opened yet. So, but this whole process, me doing the paperwork and stuff and getting you into the jail, well, since we do have to wait for whoever you called to come and watch the kids, hopefully 7:30 right now. If I can knock out the paperwork and there's no line at the jail, it's probably going to take us what? With morning traffic, 30 minutes to get to the jail. It's downtown Fort Myers. So that's at 8 o'clock, maybe 10:30. Okay? And like I said, I'll try and do my best. I don't want to be in the jail as much as you.
How much it was at Target?
What do you mean?
Do you know how much?
It's a misdemeanor charge. So I would just be careful because there are other cases open, okay? You didn't just steal from this Target on this particular day. You also did it multiple other times, okay? So there may be other charges pending, okay? But right now, I'm investigating a certain case. I have found probable cause to make an arrest for my case. There are other cases right now that are being investigated. I'm just giving you that heads up. So right now you have a misdemeanor charge with me, but you may have a felony down the road coming. Just letting you know.
So there's other ones open? Like, what does that mean?
There may be. I don't know. I'm not saying that you're...
understanding how there may be. I only go to one target.
Well, that's not true. You know, because we have you on security video footage at others, okay?
What others?
I don't know specifics about other cases. All I know is this case is my case, and like I said, I found probable cause to make an arrest, okay? Do you have any other questions or comments?
Will I be able to talk to my grandma before she goes?
Yeah, I'll let her talk to you. Do you feel comfortable with, it's your grandma, you said?
Yeah.
Coming here and watching over the kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, she watches them all the time.
Okay.
For me.
I just want to make sure that if we take you to jail, that you're giving her the caretaker custody of your kids in the meantime.
Oh no, yeah, she watches them all the time.
Okay, good. Do you happen to have your ID in the house? Just for the jail purpose.
Sometimes it's like in my little wallet and I leave it in like my pants pockets, but
Okay.
it's either in my purse or like in one of my pants pockets.
Jail's gonna ask, because they usually like an ID, so what? Give me your first name. Spell it for me.
MARLE.
Where were you born? What city, state?
New York.
New York? New York, New York?
Yes.
Any other questions, comments, concerns that I can answer for you? Just trying to be real with you, that's all.
No, but I just need to speak with my grandma.
Okay, that's fine. I'll close the door now, okay?
I guess she was doing the same thing at the other target, so
Of course.
yeah, I don't know, you know.
Yeah, she's just claiming, I mean, I read her. She was willing to talk, but she's claiming she doesn't remember, so
We just start showing her pictures.
it's alright.
No, I mean, she don't just
I want that.
Yeah, right.
No,
No prints.
no, I don't need to come. I was just gonna, I don't want to tell her about the investigation.
No, 100% it
Public
is.
social, because I don't want her to go home and delete everything.
No, yeah, 100%, I agree with you. So,
Just left it at that.
and it was easy to identify her, you know what I mean?
Oh, absolutely. As soon as she opened the door, and then she just gave me her.
You seen the tattoo too, so? It's crazy.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I'll tell you.
Just meet my grandma. I'll wait here.
Oh, okay. The 1-year-old sleeping in her bed.
Oh, okay.
Just hanging out. I told him that his mom has to pick up his dad.
Yes. We're here just to watch. I'll just be outside working on being Red Miranda. I don't know anything. What does your grandma drive?
It's a white car.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a Chevy.
Okay. Just making sure.
Sit them right there?
No. I'm gonna get working on the UBS. We're just waiting for grandma to come. I'm gonna let her speak to grandma and then take custody of the kids.
Sounds good.
And then I'll head out. But I'll work on the UBS in the meantime.
Yeah. Get them down so you don't take home that in the jail. It'll be good enough already to ride as long as you get out of here.
I
Just so
know
how
the
it is.
traffic.
Yeah.
Now, Marlena's grandmother arrives at the scene, stepping in to take care of the kids, while Velez is transported to jail.
You know?
He said it was something at Target, like some stuff had been scanned.
Target or Walmart? Which one?
He said Target.
Well, you better figure it out. I have to call because I had to cancel my doctor's appointment. Okay? I'll text you and tell him.
Yes, but don't call anyone else.
I won't.
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't call anyone else. Tell him to not
Anastasia's not going to pre-K today, right?
take her.
Oh no, I'm not going to do that because then I have to get Papa's up. I say up too. Okay, she could cancel today. All right. Love you.
Love you too.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
For someone chasing clout, the spotlight came in handcuffs. Marlena Velez faced petty theft, retail fraud. She was originally given a $150 pre-trial cash bond with strict conditions: stay away from all targets, Pay $725.32 in restitution. Complete 20 days in the Lee County Work Program and pay $220 in court fees. Marlena's story didn't stop with the Target theft. On June 25, 2025, she was arrested again, this time for violating her probation after sneaking her phone into the Lee County Work Program. Not once, but twice. That decision got her removed from the program and booked for probation violation.